Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. Yes, today on a Monday. Yes, it's Monday, new week, new puzzles. Monday, August the 8th, 2022. We have here in this puzzle page one regular puzzle, and it's a medium Sudoku. In this puzzle page, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are: the first one is a letter Sudoku, then we have a 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cijfer block. And the last one, the binary puzzle. And those puzzles, I'm not interested. So total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them. I will solve 4 of them. Otherwise, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube, and otherwise it will be a day job. Yes. All right. First one, Sudoku Medium number 4979. 4979. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, in the additional, this will be a 1 star. For 1 star, you need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. All right. We have a 2 in this column, the 2 in the middle column. So the column X, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this row, in this column. Yeah, in this column we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is the 6. We have a 6 in this big square. So no 6 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this column should be there. All right. Okay. So what are the other 3 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. And the 9 is missing. 4, 8, 9. Sorry, 4, 8, 9. Yes, 4, 8, 9. Let me mark these 3 boxes. 4, 8, 9. That means the other 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. Let me mark those. All right. Then. 1. Okay. Let me see. The 5 in this row, the 5 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 5 should be there. 7. Okay. 9. 1. Come on. 6. 7. All right. 3. Yes, 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row, so there will be 3 in the second row. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3. Okay. 3. Cannot continue with the 3. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes here. 1 in this row, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the third column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. Okay. All right. And now I cannot continue with the 1. How about 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 9, 9. Oh. 7, 7. Yeah. I'm thinking. 5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in the third row, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. 5 in the last column, no 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the last row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5, okay. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the first column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this row. 5 in the last row. So the row between, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We see here 5 in this column, third column, no 5 there. Here 5 in the first column, so no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see, sorry. Alright. Okay. And then we have a pair, I believe. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 3. We have a 4 and a 3 in this middle row. So no 4 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 3, 4 and a 3. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. And the 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. So no 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the middle row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in the third column. So no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2, 2. Okay. 2, 2. Alright. Then 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the last row, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 1 and the 3. Now we have a 3 there in this row, so here can be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3 and this box should be a 1. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 4 and a 3. Now we have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there, 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in this row. First row. So no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 1 in this column. 1 in last column. 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 1 should be here. 1 in the last row. 1 in that row, so the row between, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the third column, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 1, okay. Alright. 487, okay. 7, 8, 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9. And look, we have a 7 in this row. So no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. The 8 and the 9 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 9 in one of those two boxes in this row. 9 in the last row. So the row between, only place left for the 9 should be there. I've marked these 3 boxes 4, 8, 9. 4, 8, 9. So this box should be an 8. 8 in one of those two boxes in this row. 8 in the last row. So the row between, only place left for 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in the second column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these 3 boxes here. 4 in the second column, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. 1 box left in the third column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the first row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 7. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Now we have a 9 there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 8 and the 9. Now we have a 9 there in this column, so this box can't be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be an 8. 1 box left in this column for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6 in the third row, 6 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this first column. So no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 6. Alright. Then 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. How about Come on. 1 box left in the second row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have an 8 in the first column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the third row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have an 8 in the third row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in the third row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Told you I need 15 minutes to solve a 1-star puzzle. In this case, it's a medium Sudoku, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, what's the news of today? Well, didn't told you earlier. News of today, let me show you. Well, The news of today, well, I think, yeah, the soccer season is already started this yesterday and the day before yesterday. Yes, the soccer season is started. That's the news of today. Well, see you later. Bye bye for now.